Hello everyone, this is Jay Lakhani here. This video is regarding my feedback on the drones module organized by Udaan Aviation Academy. There were series of great things, but my favorite part was for the fact that there were 3 different instructors for 3 different days. All the 3 instructors were with high level of expertise in their field, which I think should be highly appreciated. So that was my part of the day. Thank you so much. Thank you, Udaan, for organizing such great modules. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Apurva Pawar, student of MBA Aviation. I recently went to Udaan Aviation Academy's Fundamental of Drone Technology course, and I learned a lot about the basics of drones, how they are operated, what kind of rules and regulations set by the DGCA in this pandemic situation. So I would like to thank Vikran sir, Siddharth sir and Kashif sir for taking such a great lectures, and thank you team Udaan for providing me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, Udaan Aviation Academy arranged 3 days Fundamentals of Drone Module Operations course with 3 industrialist experts. This course gives me a lot of knowledge about drones and drones operations. My expectations with this course are exceeded. Thank you, Udaan.
Hey guys, recently I have experienced with Udaan Aviation Academy where I successfully completed my drone module coaching, and really I enjoyed the classes, and it was the perfect classes for the new learners.
Hi, myself is Vijay Jha from Delhi, and I have done the online course from the Udaan Academy about the fundamentals of drones and its operation. It was fantastic to be with the Udaan Academy, and their content was good, instructors were good, and fantastic. Keep going like that. My best wishes with the Udaan Aviation Academy. Okay. And one thing I would like to say about the Udaan Aviation Academy in Hindi, उड़ान ऐसे ही बांटते रहो अपना ज्ञान, भला करेगा भगवान.